What are the most important features you are wanting from Cypress? Whew, that's a good question. I want the dashboard to be better. I think so. When I had Gleb on this live stream, he would create his own solution for like running your tests in parallel, and he's like a big open source guy. So the way he contributed to Cypress ecosystem is just amazing. So the fact that he has created something like this, although it is like biting into Cypress business model, um, I kind of understand why that might not be like a bad thing. Uh, and like Cypress cannot really defend against that, right? Because it is open source. You can create plugins and you can create your own solution for like competing with the Cypress dashboard, and it's going to happen, right? So what needs to happen for Cypress is that they have to deliver like the best dashboard there is. The problem with the problem I see with Cypress dashboard as being like the main business driver is that when you are trying to implement Cypress, you can do it from scratch. That's kind of easy, and then Cypress dashboard is like a natural evolution to running your tests, right? But if you are a big company that already has a bunch of tests and maybe they're struggling with Selenium, they want to do something new. They have migrated their application into React or other hot framework, and the thing is that changing the reporting in bigger companies is much harder. So you probably already have like your own solution, or you are using some enterprise level solution to gather all your data, and that's going to create your fancy graphs for your product managers and whatnot. So if you come with your own dashboard and you try to implement that, there needs to be like a awesome value to that, right? It needs to be like, yes, that's what we wanted from all of our reporting tools so far. It's much better than whatever we have now. But yeah, if your tests were being reported to Mocha Awesome or some other tool that's pluggable and works, and you can export those results easily and do stuff with them and create hooks, and it's highly customizable and whatever, then it's hard to make the sell for dashboard. So what I really want from Cypress is to make the dashboard really good, and it has so much potential. Like I've been talking about like having hooks for dashboards, right? So when there's a when your tests finish, how about we fire some kind of, like, you can create a webhook for anything. How about we fire some event and it's going to send your results not only to Slack, like they have a Slack integration, but it's like you cannot customize too much on it. How about we send it to a server which will generate a PDF report? Or how about we collect all of those screenshots and we can do something with them, right? Create a file or send them to some other tool. Or how about we do a nice thing for API testing? So it would be actually easy to view API tests in the dashboard. So I really want the dashboard to improve, and I think there's a great potential. There are so many great ideas, but I feel like this is not moving too fast, and it's going to be critical in Cypress's success, because that's like the business model, right? So yeah, good luck to you, Cypress. I'm rooting for you. I want you to be here. I think you have a great open source tool, and I believe that Cypress dashboard could be a great tool as well.